To log in and access the faculty promotions module, just open your browser. We recommend using Chrome both for Windows and Mac users. And then type UPLB.app. And then log in. Click login with UPmail. If you are already logged in your browser, it will automatically log in. But if not, then you have to type your UPmail and your password. Two-step verification may be required. You are now logged in the UPLB app. The faculty promotions module is located in the faculty portal promotions application. We will describe that in later. If you log out, the next time you log in, you won't need to input your password and your UPmail and your password. So okay, that's it. Before applying for promotion, make sure you check your personal information are correct. So go to personal information, then basic information, and check and edit if necessary. So to edit, just click edit basic information and then input the changes. Click save to implement the changes. Okay, so make sure that these are correct since this will be used by the system. The next is checking your academic background. Then you can see your degree here. To add a degree, just click add and fill up the information needed and save. So degree, for example, and then you can mark it if it's the highest, then save. This PDF file is if you have your diploma on hand, but now it's not required, so you can click save to implement the changes. To edit your degree, just click on the item which you want to edit and then click the edit. And for example, here you could uncheck this since you have a higher degree, for example, and then you could make changes and then save. Okay, take note that your highest degree is highlighted in blue. The next thing you need to check is your appointment. So it is available in the faculty portal and then faculty appointment. So you need to check if you have the right information here. This system is designed so that you cannot edit your own appointment. This will be updated by the concerned office in the next iteration of this app. If there is something wrong with your appointment, especially your home unit, kindly email me using your UPmail at lgbolanos@up.edu.ph so that we can update your information. So that's it. If you're basic information, academic background, and your faculty appointment is correct, you can proceed to promotion application. To apply for promotion, click faculty portal, then promotion application. During your first access, you need to click activate and apply. Then this prompt will show up. You just need to fill in the information. Last mode of promotion. And then you need to select either research or creative work. So the rest of the fixed criteria are automatically available. So usually it's research, and then click save. This is the faculty promotion application module. Here you can see the status and points of your application at every level of evaluation. You can also see the items evaluated over the total items that you have submitted. You can also see the information from your personal and appointment data. You can also generate table 3 and table 4 at every level of evaluation. The action button is for updating your application, reviewing, and submitting. At the bottom are the criteria and metrics. The action update application is for editing the first prompt of your application. So if you have changes here, you may save them, you may update them. Promotions are evidence-based, so the next is adding proof. To add a proof, select the appropriate criteria. And click add. Explore and select the proof type so that you know the points and what information is needed. And then click the paperclip icon to attach the proof. So it is required that it is a PDF document. So here I have sample documents. And then make sure you encode the right points. So we disable the automatic point assignment so that you and the evaluators will have the flexibility and capture the unique practices in every unit. So select semester or year, whichever is applicable for the criteria. You can also put a note for the evaluator to see for some clarifications, but it's not required. After ensuring the correctness of the information, you can scroll up and scroll down to review your proof submission and then save. You may update or edit, delete, or view the file that you have uploaded by using these icons. So just continue adding proof. Repeat this process until you are satisfied with your application. You may generate PDF for your reference and tracking your progress. The table 3 lists all your proof and their points per level of evaluation. So this is very transparent. You can check the score and may raise your concerns to the APC so that all concerns are addressed before the next level of evaluation. This way it's efficient and issues are resolved at the current evaluation level. If you are satisfied with your application, you may review and submit your application. So make sure that the computations are correct. You may contact us if there is a wrong computation. Click Save and then type the word Submit. It won't submit unless you deliberately type Submit. So there, you see the confirm button only activates when the word submit is encoded correctly. So there's no way for you to accidentally submit your application because submission is irreversible. You will lose adding and editing access to your application. There are changes, you may contact the unit APC. They are the ones who can update your application. Type Submit and click the confirm button. Your submission is now successfully submitted.